Hello kids, so in previous lesson we learnt about Babu's sons. So Babu has two sons, Hira and Moti. So these both are the sons of Babu. Now what did you learn from the story? So how to get the information from the story? For that we want to do what we want to do. So see, we want to ask and answer WH questions. So what are these WH questions? Why we want to ask and why we want to answer? See, if we want to get some information, if we want to know about someone, if we want to know about something, for everything we want to ask some questions. So we want to learn how to ask these questions. So asking questions will help us to know more and to gain some knowledge, maybe in everything. Maybe it is about some person, something, any other which is out of our knowledge also. Something if we want to get some information, questions are really helpful for us. So for that, what we want to do, we want to know how to ask questions. We want to learn the way of asking the questions. So let us see WH questions and to understand the lesson better. So we want to understand the lesson better, then we want to ask the WH questions. Even while explaining the lesson, or if telling something, normally teachers also ask you some words, some sentences to tell, so that you will get habituated of giving the answer. So let us know first how to answer the questions and how to ask the questions. Okay, so let us go with WH. So what are they? So who? The word who is there with you, who lives in your house, who are there in the lesson, the character. So whatever are they, who means we want to know something about person. So if some persons, who are those persons, who lives in your house, who cooks for you, so everything. So if you want to know the name of some person, then we use the word WH to ask the questions. So who is there in the lesson? Babu's son. Who are the characters? So who means it gives the name of a person who teaches you English. So you can say the name of the teacher in the same way. Who cooks for you? You can tell the name of your mother, or you can say simply mother. Mother is also a person. Doctor, who treats you when you are ill? A doctor. So doctor, even the nouns like doctor, teacher, these are also, we can say they are the person. Okay, in the same way, if we want to know about some place, where are you going? Where do you buy the vegetables? Where do you live? Okay, where do you live? So in this way, if we want to know about some place, you want to use the word where to ask the questions. So we want to know about some place, we ask the question where. If we want to know about the timing or any about a day, when do you go to practice cricket? So on Sundays, normally we have holidays on Sundays, therefore we say Sunday. Otherwise we can say daily evening at 5 p.m. means the timing, or a day, or about a month, or something whatever which is about a period of time, a particular at morning, in the evening, in this way. Whatever are there, if you want to know about the timing, we use the word like when. So these are the words we use to know about the time. Now, so if we want to know something about information, if you want to collect some information like what is your name, so what is the girl's name, what are you doing, so what is your name, so like this, which about that, when you are talking about to collect an information, what is your curry today, so anything, if you want to collect some information, we use the word like what is used to collect some information. Okay, now some reason. So information is different and collecting reason is different. So a person is crying, fighting, or doing some mischievous things. Why? What is the reason? If you want to know about the reason, then you want to write with why. Means a question must start with why, to know the reason behind something which is going on. Why are you crying? Why are you fighting with your friend? Why did your mom leave you here? So in this way, something to know the reason of why it is happening. So to get that, we use the word like why. So we can frame questions with who, to know about a person, where, to know about a place, when, to know about the time, what, to know, to get some information from others, and why, to know the reason behind something. So in this way, if we go with the our lesson Babu's son, if we want to know about the characters who are there in that, so you can say that Hira, Moti and Babu. So three of them are there, so we can talk about them. So where are they living? So if you want to know the place of where they live, so where are they living? Why are they fighting? When did they get up early? When do they get up daily? So like this, some information, whatever you want. What is the problem in the story? So we want to get some information. Why? So in this way, when you are going through any lesson or something, you want to try to ask the questions, and in basing on the questions, you must be able to answer them. Okay, so then only we will be able to get some information, whatever we want. So you want to remember these 5 words: who, where, when, what, and why. Basing on this, let us go to our volume page number 16 and try to ask the questions. Okay kids, open your volume page number 16. Now you can read the story and answer the questions. So there is a story here. You can see the story about Babu's sons. So Babu has 2 sons, Hira and Moti. They always fight. Babu wanted them to be friends. One day, they began fighting over dinner. Hira liked the soup, but Moti did not. Babu asked them to go to the kitchen and make their own soup. They made it. Babu gave Hira soup to Moti and Moti soup to Hira and asked them to taste it. They did not like each other's soup. Babu asked them to make the soup again until they both liked it. Hira and Moti looked at each other and said they now liked the soups. Now, who asked Hira and Moti to make soup? Why? So here we have a question who. Who means about what are we going to ask? So who means about a person, and why means the reason behind that. So basing on that, you want to answer the question. Now if you see, Hira and Moti are fighting. So there is an answer. Hira and Moti are fighting. So dash is fighting. So what is there? What is missing? So what is missed in the question? That means about answer. Basing on the answer, you can write what word we want to use by WH. So what are they telling? Is it about person, place, time, information, or reason? Now if you go to B, dash do Hira and Moti make soup? Now answer given that Hira and Moti make the soup in the kitchen. So what is there in the sentence? About what they are giving the information? So basing on that, you can use the words like WHO, who, where, when, what, or why. Now look at the picture and write a question and its answer. You can see a picture there. Can you see, children? So by seeing that picture, you want to write one question and also you want to answer the question. So try to see the picture and ask the questions basing on who, where, when, what, and why, and complete your volume page number 16. Okay kids, thank you.